Welcome to English Study and News, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. Let's jump right in and start improving your English together today.
Hey, Jack. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there.
Hey, Emma. Yeah, I was just standing here, watching the lights. They look nice tonight, don't they?
They really do. All the Christmas lights, they make everything feel a little warmer. Even the cold doesn't feel so bad.
Yeah, it's funny how lights can do that. They don't change the temperature, but they change the feeling.
Exactly. So, Christmas is coming soon?
Yeah, it's almost here. I can't believe how fast this year went.
Me neither. It feels like yesterday we were talking about summer, and now Christmas music is everywhere.
Everywhere. In stores, on the radio, even in elevators.
Do you like Christmas music?
Some of it. Not all day, every day. But a few songs, they're nice.
Same here. I like the old ones. They feel calm and kind of nostalgic.
Yeah, they remind me of when I was a kid.
Oh? What was Christmas like for you when you were young?
It was simple. Nothing fancy, but it felt special.
How so?
Well, we didn't have many presents, but we always had dinner together. My parents, my sister, me, we'd sit at the table for hours.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, we talked, laughed, sometimes argued a little, but it felt warm, safe.
That's what I love about Christmas too. It's not really about gifts. It's about being together.
Exactly. How about you? What was Christmas like in your family?
Oh, it was loud. Very loud.
Loud?
Yeah, big family. Aunts, uncles, cousins, everyone talking at the same time.
That sounds a little crazy.
It was, but in a good way. The house always smelled like food, and someone was always in the kitchen.
What kind of food?
Roast chicken, potatoes, soup, and my mom's apple pie. She made it every year.
Apple pie at Christmas. Nice.
Yeah, even now when I smell apple pie, I think of Christmas.
Smell is powerful like that.
It really is. So, do you usually celebrate Christmas now?
Yes and no.
What do you mean?
I don't do anything big. No big parties. Sometimes I just stay home.
Alone?
Not always. Sometimes with a friend. Sometimes just me.
And are you okay with that?
Yeah, I think so. Christmas feels quieter now. Different from before.
Different isn't always bad.
True. But sometimes I miss the old days.
I think everyone does, especially during Christmas.
Yeah, it's a time that makes you think.
About what?
About family. Time. How things change.
Christmas has that effect. Do you have any plans this year?
Not really. Just a simple dinner. Maybe watch a movie.
What kind of movie?
Something warm. Maybe an old Christmas movie.
Like what?
Home Alone? Or It's a Wonderful Life?
Oh, I love those. They're classics.
Yeah, I've seen them many times, but I still enjoy them.
Some movies never get old.
Exactly. What about you? Any plans?
I'm going to visit my parents, just for a few days.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I don't get to see them very often.
I'm sure they'll be happy.
I think so. My mom already called me 3 times.
That's a good sign.
She keeps asking what time I'll arrive and what I want to eat.
Classic mom behavior.
Very classic, but I love it.
Yeah, it means someone cares.
Exactly.
Do you still give gifts?
Yes, but small ones. Nothing expensive.
Same. I prefer meaningful gifts.
Me too. Something simple, something thoughtful.
Like a book? Or a handwritten card?
Oh, I love handwritten cards. They feel personal.
Yeah, you can feel the effort.
What was your favorite Christmas gift ever?
That's a good question.
Take your time.
I think it was a small radio. My dad gave it to me.
A radio?
Yeah, nothing special, but I used it every night. I listened to music before sleeping.
That's sweet.
It felt like my own little world.
I like that. Sometimes small things mean the most.
What about you?
For me,
It was a scarf my grandmother made.
She made it herself?
Yeah, it wasn't perfect, but it was warm and full of love.
Those are the best gifts.
I agree.
You know, talking about Christmas like this, it makes me feel calmer.
Me too. It's nice to slow down.
We don't do that enough.
No, we don't. We're always busy, always rushing.
Christmas reminds us to stop, even just for a moment,
And breathe.
and be thankful.
Exactly. Hey, Jack,
Yeah?
if you want, you're welcome to join my family dinner. Just saying.
Really?
Really, there's always room for one more person.
That's very kind of you.
Christmas is about sharing, right?
Yeah, it is.
You don't have to decide now.
I'll think about it. But thank you.
Of course.
You know, this conversation feels like Christmas already.
I was thinking the same thing.
Warm, simple, real.
The best kind of Christmas.
Yeah, the best kind.